To assign different functions to your plus key on OnePlus Nord 5, first of all, the button that we're looking for is located on the left side of your phone right here. It's on the side, just to say that. Okay, so when we find this button, we can go to our settings and then scroll down and locate a plus key. Now, if you enter it for the first time, there will be a introduction. Also, it tells you where to find it. We can click on Got It, and here you can assign different shortcuts to it. For example, we can turn on and off a flashlight by pressing and holding this specific button. It's always described right here what you need to do to use this button, but most of the time it says press and hold to do something. So finally, when we have it, we just need to press and hold this button right there. Sorry, I pressed the volume button as well. But it works and then turns on and off flashlight as I assigned it. So that is everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.